Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jerusalem bagels. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of salt, 5 grams of active dry yeast, and 300 milliliters of warm water. Mix these together, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth. Let it rise for 1 hour until it doubles. Now that your dough has risen, gently divide it into 8 equal portions, each weighing around 100 grams. Roll each piece into a long, thin rope, about 12 inches long, forming the classic bagel shape. Next, dip each bagel into a water and sesame seed mixture, ensuring full coverage. Let them proof for 15 minutes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. And speaking of keeping things tidy, after all that baking, you might have some flour or sesame seeds on the floor. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is amazing for cleaning up those messes effortlessly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place your sesame-coated bagels on a baking sheet. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. For that authentic soft, shiny finish, brush them with olive oil right after they come out of the oven.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.